Welcome to YouTube channel Beat English A Journey from Land to Sky. Describe a skill that you can teach others. You should say what it is, how you learn it, how can you teach others the skill, how do you feel about this skill? Well, I am going to tell you about a skill that I can teach others. As you know that a skill is an ability or expertise that a person develops through learning and enable them to perform tasks effectively. Now, let me tell you about a skill I can teach others is graphic designing, which involves creating visually appealing content using tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva. This skill is widely used for designing posters, logos, social media posts, and other creative visuals. I learned graphic designing through a combination of online courses, self-practice, and experimentation. Initially, I started with free tools like Canva to create simple designs for personal projects. Later, I enrolled in online tutorials on platforms like YouTube to master professional software like Photoshop and Illustrator. By working on real-life projects, such as designing posters for events or creating digital illustrations, I gradually improved my skills and gained confidence. I would teach graphic designing in a practical and interactive way. I would introduce beginners to simple tools like Canva before progressing to advanced software like Photoshop or Illustrator. I feel graphic designing is an exciting and versatile skill that allows for unlimited creativity. It's incredibly rewarding to transform ideas into visuals that communicate effectively. Personally, I find designing empowering as it helps me express myself and contribute to various projects. Teaching this skill to others is fulfilling because it equips them with the tools to create, innovate, and even pursue career opportunities in the creative field. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Beat English.